This is how I do affiliate marketing. So basically the most important thing for mine is affiliate marketing. So you can see on website, this is known as digistore24, which is an affiliate marketing platform, and it is pretty much amazing to be true. Why? Because you can see that whenever you go on to digistore24, you're going to be getting some products, some product sellers, affiliate features, marketplace, and you can actually make more sales without doing much of work. So why I trust this website is very simple, because I myself use it for some digital products, as they mainly deal with some products that are in digital format. So whenever you come in here, you will be able to see that there are so many options available, like animals and pets, betting and system, business, investment, dating, love, email marketing, education, family, kids, fashion, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun, and so much more. So basically whenever we see things just like this, so you can see that if we go on to this one, for example, internet marketing and e-business, let's see, for example, you can see that there are so many things that are really available, but I myself choose onto the health and fitness niche. So I would go on here, and you can see that whenever we see this is an ultimate keto plan that will give you like $37 AOV with $1 sale. So basically you will be earning 85% of the commission, and your earning would be around $25 per person, and you do not have to do anything. So now you might be thinking that what is the thing that you need to do? You know what, whenever I have started my journey, one of the main reasons that I have been able to build some good amount of money is through affiliate marketing, and still now one of the major chunks that I get through my commissions is from affiliate marketing. Why? Because I personally believe in that. What happens is that it is a true form of passive income. Now think about it like this, like you come down up here, and after that you can see some cookbooks and all that stuff. So you need to actually, for example, here you can see a keto plan. So you can simply click up here, and you can simply just do one simple thing, that is promote now. So whenever you click on to promote now, you get a link, and you do not have to do anything. Everything is done. You do not have to do the hard work. You simply need to paste the link. That is it. So if you go on to the sales page, I would show you something that is really amazing. Okay, so right now if we go on to things just like this, for example, food and drinks section, so you can see this is the 300 vegan or plant-based recipe that is really going really high on the market right now, that is veganism. So you can actually sell it, and you can actually make 60% commission, like $10.77. Not just that, my friend, I'm going to be showing you something that is really amazing. For example, if we come in here, you can see that important, watch this video in full. Right now you can actually download your keto recipes, and they are going to be getting all of this because everything is done. Okay, so right now it is November 7th, and you can actually see, you have to just see the whole video, and everything is being done by them. You do not have to do any single thing. So after that, when you go out, you can see that they have made it so with such perfection. So you do not have to do it. Everything is done for you. So now what you need to do, you simply need to go up here and simply promote it. Right? So now think about it, how you're going to be making money. So whenever it gets sold, right? So whenever they sell it, you are going to be getting some commission. Right? So let me show you another way that you're going to be getting is like from Farfetch. Okay, so you can see some Farfetch, you can say affiliate. Okay, affiliate marketing program. So this is really amazing. So whenever you go up here, so there is a supplement that I want to show it to you that is pretty much amazing. So what you can basically do is that this is Farfetch, and you can actually go up there, and this is pretty much amazing. So you can see this is Farfetch, and whenever we go on to Farfetch, so this is the thing. Now you need to do what? For example, for keto, you have came onto YouTube, and then you can see different videos just like these ones. So what you need to do, you need to click on here on search, and after that you just need to write keto. Okay, so you just need to write how to you just need to do keto. Okay, now here's a super special trick. I know many of you might not be here right now, but here's the thing. You need to write keto, and right now you can see that there are so many options that are available for you. How to start keto diet for beginners, how to start keto. People are searching for all these things. So what you need to do is how to start keto, how to make keto bread, how to start keto correctly, how to eat on keto diet, how to meal prep, vegan lazy egg, and all that, how to have a clean keto diet, how to have a dirty keto diet. People are actually finding all this stuff. So right now, if you go up here and onto the fitness and health section, again let's go on to the fitness and health section, and then you will be able to see that it is worth like $25, right? So you'll be making $25. For example, if we go on to how to start keto, the first one, let's see that how much it has got. So if you have started for example a month ago, let's take it as a measurable way. So right now, if we choose onto the view count, okay, so you can see that they have made shorts just like this. Okay, you can see king of shorts, health and wellness, you can see health and well-being. So people are actually making all this up. Okay, so people are making all these things. So if we just write simple things like keto diet, for example, if you go to a thing that is known as keto diet, for example, if you choose onto the filter and then you go for a month and then how it is working, then you will be able to see that if you go onto the view count, the highest one, then you can see that things like this, like Dr. Belly, I think Dr. Becky, so you can see this person, so you can see Brandon Carter, you know who he is. He's known as King Keto. So he has made his every single business onto ketos. That is what he is actually doing, work on keto only. That is, keto is his thing. I mean, it is just amazing, right? So this guy has made like $10 million just by using this keto thing, and it is pretty much amazing to be true. Why? Because people are getting some really amazing results. So whatever happens is, like, if you go on to FanFuel, then you can actually see that not just this cookbooks and stuff, and if you go down up here, then you can see that this is a single payment, right? So this is a single payment that is happening, and you can actually make 85% of the commission, which is good. But here is the thing: if you want to have a high paying, high quality, high conversion thing, then I would say just go on to fanfuel.co/brands, and now you can see that there are some crazy bulk, deep, you can see the maximum and testo prime, so you can actually have the revenue share of 50%, which is pretty much good. Now think about it like this. Now what is all this? You can see some weight loss things, right? So you can see some sexual health things, you can see some beauty things and some wellness things. So basically some nootropics and all that. For example, if we go on to weight loss, for example, now you can see weight management, so it's like 60% revenue share, right, for keto charge. So let's go on here and let's learn more. So what's going to be happening once people use it, they're going to be using it again and again and again and again. So what happens is that you are going to be getting consistent amount of passive income. So average commission is like $58 and average value is like $97. So you're going to be making like $58. Okay, so just think about it like this. For example, if we go back up here, then you can see 132k people have actually watched his video. Okay, so let's do some calculation. So if we go on to this calculator, then we will be able to see 132k, and if we remove the 90% of the population, if we remove 90% of the population, still you are gonna be getting how much? So you're gonna be getting $58 consistently. Let's think it as $50. Okay, let's leave the $8. Let's keep, I mean, $8 is like if we another $2 if we add, it's gonna be like $60. But let's keep away, let's think at $50. So you're gonna be making this much amount. You're gonna be making like 660k every single month if you just do it for keto, which is pretty much amazing to be true. And if you do it for consistently for like 10 to 12 months, if we just take it 10 months for example, then you can actually have a whole $6.6 million business, right? Which is pretty much great to be true. So this is how the things actually work. You are doing what you just need to put links links like what? So if you click on to promote now, then you need to go on here and you need to sign in, and that is the thing. And you don't need to do anything. So if you want to do this, and you can actually do it real easily. So you are going to be getting a simple link, and after that you can actually promote it real easily with the help of that. So for example, you can actually do this and you can make money with the help of affiliate marketing real easily, real quick way.